Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. We're just going out today on a delivery. This one is for an insurance job. The folks are actually renting it from us for I think about a year. They've had a fire I think, so we're going to go down, deliver this unit behind us. If you have a look over there, we've got one of our Rockwoods. We're going to take it on the Dodge, makes it a bit more manoeuvrable. We've got our high-end Rockwoods here, they're going to insure it for a while. This is our sort of sister company here, HARV RV. I'll show you that he's put a lovely sticker on the front there. Look at that. This is our new, if you're ever in the market for one you want to hire, it's more fires, floods, self-builds, renovations, insurance work, give us a call. Here's the website address. Give Ashley a call and he'll take care of it. One of our Rockwoods, lovely bit of kit. Right, we're going to get off on the road now. I think Ashley's going to be piloting. And Ashley and Colin. And Colin and Ashley, let's get out on the road. It's quite a long old unit, this one. I think it's about 34 feet long. Not really towable on a Ford Ranger, it's much too big. So we use the old Dodge we're just swinging it around there. There you go, I think I'll jump aboard now and we'll do a little bit of filming on the road. Right, if he waits for me, that'd be nice. Where's he going? Right, that's it. We've set the sat nav, so that should take us a more direct route. There we go. Off on the road. Actually, off to our destination. How far we got to go?
About an hour and a half, an hour 40.
Hour and a half.
Traffic.
There you go, we've reached our destination now. Hopefully we've got a little bit of room. So we'll get it off the road. So it's just a bit, that's not too bad. Done a good job there. Ashley, as usual, is driving, so he's doing a good job of it. Where's he got to go up there? That'll do, Ashley. That'll do. Let's watch the barn. Yeah, we got the barn. Yeah, you're alright. It's quite a tight delivery, but I think they're having this one for about a year. Well, we'll have a little look now of where it's going to go. And then we'll get it all backed in now. It's a lovely place here, there's quite a few houses. Yeah, lovely little sort of area, right in the middle of nowhere. So I think they've had a bit of a fire or something, or flood. So we're going to put this one in there. So this is just one of our deliveries. Let's see what we're doing here. through the gate. You're through the gate now. There's plenty of room this side. I think this is going to stay here for quite a while, this. Huh? Yeah, just go straight. Go straight. Go straight. You don't really want to go backwards. Well, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right, you're in now. Oh, you're in now. That just got in. Do you want to get out and have a look exactly where it is? What's handy, we've got so much experience with these now that we can pretty much get them in anywhere. Yeah. It does look nice there, doesn't it? It does. It takes a lovely photograph. Yeah, we'll put some wood under there and then stop it sinking in really. More than anything, it's quite soft, isn't it, the ground? And then we'll put some under the legs. That's quite handy really. There you go, we've got it all in position. A little bit awkward because the land is all a bit skew-whiff. But we've managed to get it all in position, so we can see how it goes. If it sinks a little bit, then we'll be back to level it up again. The ground is particularly boggy here. Ashley's having a walk around. I'll just show you inside quickly. Oh, there you go. There you go. Bathroom. There you go. There's the bedroom. So they're going to be living this for about a year, I think. So there you go, folks. Hire an RV. If you're in the market for this sort of thing, if you give Ashley a bell, I'm sure he'll help you out. Thanks for watching. And like and subscribe to the channel, really helps us out. Thanks for watching. Right, give it another go. That's it. Oh well, we're getting in there. Hold the line.